Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 2022 Biscayne Bay Marine Health Summit. My name is Luis Rodriguez. I'm a biological oceanographer and the founder for the Biscayne Bay Marine Health Summit. And I have to say, I'm a little bit nervous as always. I don't like speaking in public very much, but I'm very excited that we're here, that we continue this effort, and we have this amazing team that we've been working on since 2015. That's when the vision came about. We are getting really, I had a nonprofit and we are getting a little bit tired of removing a large amount of trash from the shorelines of Biscayne Bay. And that's when I felt we needed to do something about it. We knew what was happening, where the trash was coming from, but then realized that there was a lot more that we needed to work on, from fertilizers and pesticides, herbicides, and there's a lot of the septic tanks that are leaking to the bay. So anyway, I'm happy to see everyone in here, that we're all working together, and hopefully that we can fulfill our vision of a healthier and cleaner Biscayne Bay. I'm going to pass it on to the chair of our committee, Camila Correct.
This one. Hi, everybody. My name is Camila Quaresma Sharp. I'm the chair for the steering committee, as well as the logistics for the summit. I am the behind the scenes, so I have to go back to the behind the scenes. So it's just a really quick note and welcoming everyone. Thank you so much for being here. And for whoever is presenting or are in the panels, I'm going to ask you a few minutes before you come in, if you can use this staging area right here to just collect yourself and be ready for stage, okay? So just keep that in mind when it's about for you, when it's time for you to come in, just a few minutes before, meet up here. Thank you.
Good morning. I retired from FIU, and after actually 40 years of doing public policy at the national, state, and local level, and I kayaked in the bay. That's what retirees do, and I found a lot of trash. And my goodness, it was terrible. And I found David Dobler, and I learned how to pick up trash. But I'm come from the policy arena. And so I thought my analysis was we need to change some policy. And when Louise said we need to have a summit, I thought, perfect idea. So I was able to leverage my history with FIU to get them to partner with us. Partners are critical. All of you who are partners with us, thank you. You are essential, both to get us here and going forward. I will give a special shout out to Dr. Ortiz, who welcomed you today. He was early money. He helped us. Now for 3 summits, he helped us get to the decision point so that our all volunteer group could go forward and we could reach out to as many of you as possible. Now, we cannot reach out to everybody we need in this community, but you can. So we hope you will join us and help us broaden and extend our partnership so we have not only a village, but a magic city to save our bay. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So I'll be very brief. I'm only here to talk about this trash that you're going to see here. So this trash was actually collected by volunteers. A lot of it was in Miami Beach on the sand. You see a lot of leaves. Those are destined to get into stormwater systems. They were captured at the street level though, for display purposes here. Some of the trash was Carrington Island, right near Coconut Grove. And we just want you to see this, capture it in all your photos. We don't want any pretty photos, right? The bay is not pretty right now. So we want the photos to be ugly. So make sure you capture these images. Thank you very much.
I'll be quick and brief. I think most of you know me. I make a lot of noise at the dais as often as possible. I engage you to try to come up with solutions and address problems. My name is Albert Gomez. I'm a steering committee member, and I've been with it since day one. I would only ask that all of you engage. If you don't engage, it doesn't happen. On the table, there is 2 QR codes. The one on the right, which says Miami Water Keepers, that's based on an engagement or a call to action based on a mangrove ordinance that is being processed via the city of Miami to basically ban mangroves that can recruit naturally, therefore possibly be able to be removed next to seawalls or gray infrastructure near the water, which is not a good move. Obviously, we have mangrove planters on the table here. And then the other one is for Q&A and a poll. So there are several polls in that QR code. You can also go to biscaynebayfl.com and the entry to that Q&A is there. For each panel, the Q&A will be opened. You will submit your questions. They will come up here on the screen. I will select with a couple of panelists which questions to use, and then they will go up to the panels. Please engage. And when we're done here, please continue to engage. Reach out to me, reach out to somebody, another member of the steering committee. Ask how you can get involved more. Thank you, and thank you for being here.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Dave Dobler. I am a steering committee member of the Biscayne Bay Marine Health Coalition, and I've also been here from day one. I'm also co-founder of volunteercleanup.org. I am super excited about today, and I welcome you all to be with us, to support us, to help and to find your own individual way that you can help protect, restore, and recover Biscayne Bay. We cannot do it alone. We need your help. We are twice as big as our first summit, and we've made tremendous progress. So thank you, everybody, for coming here. And now a message from Mayor Daniela Levine Cava.